Introduction to Saramoly machine. Today, we are going to introduce you to the power steering machine fluid exchange system, a professional solution designed to perform complete and efficient power steering fluid servicing without dismantling the vehicle. Many drivers underestimate the importance of power steering fluid maintenance. Over time, heat, pressure, and contamination cause the fluid to break down, leading to reduced lubrication, increased friction, pump noise, heavy steering feel, and premature wear of internal components. Manufacturers generally recommend changing power steering fluid every 30,000 kilometers or when needed, yet traditional draining methods often remove only 40 to 60% of the old fluid. The remaining contaminated fluid continues circulating in the system, accelerating wear and tear and increasing the risk of costly repairs such as pump failure or steering rack damage. This power steering machine solves the problem with a patented drainage and refill process performed directly through the power steering fluid reservoir. There is no need to dismantle hoses or disconnect lines, making the service cleaner, faster, and safer. Equipped with dual pumps, the machine separates old and new fluid during operation. This ensures continuous extraction of contaminated fluid while simultaneously introducing fresh fluid into the system. With its dual service hoses, exchange efficiency is significantly increased, allowing the system to replace up to 95% of the old power steering fluid, far more effective than conventional drain and fill methods. By performing routine servicing with this power steering machine, workshops can help customers maintain peak steering performance, reduce pump noise and vibration, extend component lifespan, minimize internal wear and tear, prevent expensive steering system repairs. Regular maintenance is not just a service, it is prevention. And with up to 95% fluid replacement efficiency, this machine ensures the job is done properly the first time.